So guys, we just made rice. We had stew in the freezer. We just brought out some refrigerated that I say refrigerated that now go microwaved it. Okay, and then here, see this mess, guys. Look at all this mess, and it's from this banger. Yes. Oh, cool. Guys, look, we're boiling it. My sister Choma, see, God will help me to bless her because now she found all these things. I brought some banga from my house, from my village, you know, the last time I went home, and it was almost going bad because I forgot. But yeah, my sister Choma, okay, she boiled it. I mean, she's been taking care of the apple. She boiled it, sun dried it. So now that we're ready to cook it, she did the whole thing, you know, boiled it, pounded it, all that stuff. So yeah, we're boiling it down so that we can, you know, lose some water and then cook. Pascaline went to the market, you know, she's the one that will buy the things for the cooking. But look at how this thing is bubbling and just spilling everywhere. I think Bebe is going to clean it, okay? This is division of labor. Bebe will clean it because I'm the one that's going to be cooking this apple. So you can see the inclusivity. Inclusivity. Is that it? Everybody is included in the cooking. That's what I'm trying to say, okay? It's division of labor, and that's what we're gonna do, okay? I'm sure you guys have, you know, my neck up because okay? The weather is hot and no, let's not do it. Let's not put it down, okay? Anyways, guys, that's about it in this kitchen. Everywhere is hot, okay? Everywhere is hot, and yeah, we're just trying to eat because at the end of the day, what is life without some food? I need to go the rice. Let me show you people. So I already started eating. You know. It's my food, and my face is freaking oily and sweaty. But ignore that. My hairstylist is not around. That explains why my hair is still like this. Pascaline checked whether she was around today, but she's not around. Okay, my hairstylist went for O1B. Auntie Queen, you're gonna answer to me when you come back. Okay, except to come with some meat. But oh well. Let me just finish my food and figure out what next to tell you people. Okay, but for now, I have no idea. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Guys, I just finished cooking the FAQs, so I'm just trying to put things away, you know, wash the dishes and everything, because I actually filmed the recipe. I'm going to be posting that much later, but I'm sure you guys saw a bit of, you know, me cooking and everything, but you're going to see a more detailed tutorial, you know, sometime on this channel. I'm going to work on that because I filmed it. I couldn't even cook the stew yesterday. You know, yesterday was when I showed you people, you know, us boiling the apple and everything. But I cooked it this morning, okay? I just need to leave this kitchen, you know, because I need to go and make my hair. My hairstylist is back, so let me go and take this thing off my hair and figure out what to do. I think I'm going to braid my hair. I've not braided my hair in a while, you know, or just something that looks like braid. That's basically what I'm doing, so let me get to it, okay? Good morning, guys. Yeah, I finally did my hair. I know I don't have edges. Just leave this place alone. When I'm done, I'm gonna brush it, okay? But guys, let me just tell you, this morning I woke up very agitated, okay? I think that's the word. I woke up very agitated because I mean, it's already, what time is it now? It's already past 9. Actually, it's past 9, and okay, better relax, calm down and explain yourself, okay? Last night, yeah, I tried turning on my gen because there was no light and it was really hot. Like, the weather in Lagos, I don't know if it's just Lagos, but the weather in Lagos has been extremely hot, okay? And PHCN, they've not even been helping matters because they not give us light, nothing, you know. So I bought enough fuel yesterday, you know, and I decided that, okay, we're going to sleep with the gen and stuff like that. Right, so I tried turning on this gen refused to come on. I was pulling it, it was not coming on. There was full tank of fuel and everything. So I decided to call my engineer. I told him to come and help me check it to see what the problem was and all of that. And this is the same person that has been working on my gen, servicing my gen since I got that gen. I went downstairs to meet him. He just touched the gen, lose this one, say, auntie, engine don't knock. I say, engine don't knock. How? Like, that wasn't even what I was expecting. I was probably expecting him to say, okay, oh, there was no oil in the gen, or the rope don't cut, because that thing was really loose and everything. Next thing he said, engine don't knock. I'm like, okay, so how much for a new engine? And he goes, half, now 6,500. I'm like, okay, 6,500. Great. He now said no, 65,000 for the engine of my gen. I'm like, okay, so if I cannot buy the engine, what else can I do? And he says, you go still fix some sha, but that one could cost you, like 25-30k. I said, please, can you help me couple the gen back? Okay, like, I was not even in the mood, I don't get that kind of power. Just couple the gen back and keep it. I was really upset. Let me even tell you guys, I don't know why. If it was just the fact that I felt like he didn't really give me any thorough explanation as to what happened, like how did the gen suddenly knock engine and stuff, because I changed the oil regularly, okay. I went to meet my neighbor. I asked him for his own engineer because I wanted a second opinion. I called that one came and said that the engine don't knock. Okay, so okay, now that I've heard it from two people, that means that truthfully the engine don't knock. And the truth is, I'm not even in the mood to even start thinking of buying a new generator. Like, what generator will all cost now when light not even they go cut person neck. So I was asking this new engineer, I'm like, okay, so how much are you going to fix it and everything? He was like, okay, auntie, hold on, let me open the engine up and see exactly what went wrong. That moment I just felt like, okay, this is more reasonable. Like, how will you just come and say 65,000? You not tell me the reason, you not tell me what I'm paying for, like 30,000. Like, I don't understand. Do people think that we pick the money from where? I don't really understand it. This one now opened the gen, now opened the engine, everything. Now show me something that broke inside. He told me that to buy that thing is 6,500 naira, be 6,000 naira. But then that thing that broke kind of affected a few other things in the engine, that they can fix it and I can still use it for a very long time. Depending on how often I change the oil and just the things that I use with the gen. For example, I'm not supposed to use iron and just things like that. He explained to me. That's what I expected this other guy to do. But no, the money was first for him. After everything, this guy said he was going to fix the gen, including his workmanship, including the oil I told him to buy. Because I always buy this big bottle of oil. I told him to buy the oil for me as well. Like, everything was 18,900. That's the problem. Like, when you trust somebody so much, or when over familiarity don't they enter, they just think that they can do whatever they like. And I'm beginning to even think that this guy has been scamming me all along, but oh well, in time don't come, don't go, okay? Because this one now, I just gave him some money to go and buy the things that he needs to fix the gen. So hopefully when he gets here, he fixes it and yeah, I can use my gen. I just wanted to rant a bit because I feel like all these people that help you with some work and stuff in your house, when they just start saying that you trust them, you believe them, they start misbehaving. And for me, that's really bad. Like, if you tell me something is white, make sure it's white. I understand that we all want to make gain, but okay, even if you want to collect 25,000 or 30,000, at least you go tell me what they do. You not go explain anything. Just want to collect 30,000 for this dry season. I beg. Shame unto you, oh, power belong to Jesus. Lie down, come, Jen, down they walk, oh, Jen, down they walk. Hey guys, what's up? So today is I don't even know what today is again, but today is a day, okay? And we have our picnic tomorrow. We're having a picnic in church tomorrow for the sisters. It's also a way for us to celebrate Mother's Day and all of that. We're hanging out at I think Lufasi Park or Farah Park. I think they call that same place these names. I don't know. I think it's Farah Park or Lufasi. I really don't know. Okay, but then we were told, this is the exciting part. We were told to bring something to maybe feed about 5 people, or drinks that can go around 5 people at least. Just bring something to share with others, basically. And I know that I don't have the chance to cook right now, so I decided to make drinks. I decided to make Zobo drink, actually. Let me just show you guys. I bought some bottles today at the market, and I'm about to make my Zobo, Better's Kitchen Zobo, okay? That's what I'm going to be giving them. Let me show you guys what I'm about here right now, okay? So guys, this is the pot of Zobo. This is actually one big pot, and I have another pot here. Of course, we have the Zobo leaves, we have some fruits, pineapples, cucumbers, and I'm just going to boil this up. Here I have the pineapples. I'm going to be blending this alongside these cucumbers. I'm going to be adding that to the Zobo as well. Then these are the bottles I got. This is the 35 cl bottles. I just went to the market to buy these bottles now. So yeah, that's basically what you can see yourself. So yeah, that's basically what I'm about to do right now. I'm so excited. I don't understand why stressing myself to make Zobo, bottling it and all of that is exciting to me. I really don't understand, but I guess it's just the idea behind giving people something and wanting them to enjoy whatever it is that I give to them. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward to the picnic, okay? I'm really looking forward to it. Just hang out with sisters in the Lord, okay? Sisters in the Lord. And yeah, it's really exciting to me. But yeah, let me just get to it. I will talk to you guys later, okay? Hi guys, good morning. So today is another day, and I'm so excited about today because your girl is about to film or shoot a campaign for a health company. They're called Health Tracker, and some of the officials will be coming to my house to film the whole process. So basically what they do is when you go on their website, you book for some tests and all of that, they come to your house to take your samples and then go back to their labs, do all they need to do and then send you your result. They're saving you the stress of having to go to the hospital and all of that, and I'm so glad to be working with them. I'm actually very excited, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to wait till they get here. I'll definitely show you guys all of that, but in the meantime I'm about to film a video for Austin Betha. I need to post on that channel before they get here, so let me just get to it before they get here, okay? Hi guys, so Health Tracker, they track people health. They don't reach my house, and I have like their staff here. Just can you just say hi?
Hi.
And then I have Olumide.
Hey! Hello guys, my name is Olumide. I'm Beta's friend.
Gloveville!
No. Today it's all about Beta and Health Tracker. We're here to take a sample and know the state of
Because
Beta's
me, I never
health.
remember to go test myself.
She works too hard creating awesome YouTube videos, but she never takes care of her health. So this is our job. We're here to help her. We come to our house instead of her going all the way to the lab or to the hospital.
Celebrity
We're
life.
here to take our samples the way we will take your sample if you book from your home.
Yeah.
And we'll bring the results to you within 48 hours with a free doctor's consultation to help you understand what you need to do to stay healthy.
They're trying to set up, because it's a full process. Let me just tell you.
If you want to do your pregnancy test, if you want
Premarital.
to do premarital to
Yeah.
know your genotype, blood
Yeah.
group, rhesus factor, and all of those things.
Oh, you don't talk
Heart
doctor.
health, yes. So
Yeah.
now the job where I take with this now, right? Heart health, kidney, heart, anything,
Yeah.
whatever that is, that you feel you need to test in your body, or maybe a doctor's recommendations, or you're feeling any symptom and you don't have the time or energy to go to the hospital. Just call Health Tracker.
Guys, easy life. I'm
Right.
really I'm an
Soft
ambassador
life.
for easy life. Okay, so anything that would ease me off of some stress,
Right?
I'm all in, and I'm super excited. I'm really thankful for the opportunity. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much for welcoming us into your home.
Thank you.
We're going to get the whole process started now, and you'll see how easy it is.
All right, guys. Hi guys, what's up? So this is me just trying to round off the vlog. This is the next day after that interview, after the campaign for health tracker, and I know I did not end the vlog. I didn't say anything, so this is me just coming to say thank you for watching, because I'm about stepping out of the house, but I really think I should end this vlog here before it to become too long. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a very big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. I hope you guys enjoyed following me through my week. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section, and I will talk to you guys on the next one. Bye.